If you are preparing an engagement with a year end prior to December 15th, 2018, this is now referred to as pre-auditor reporting. And if you are preparing an engagement with a year end on or after December 15th, 2018, this will be a post-auditor reporting. One thing to note that unlike the review changes, early adoption is permitted. Looking at the updates to the engagement report, we have updated it to include the new standard wording for post-auditor reporting. So you will see that there is now a drop-down which allows you to select either pre or post-auditor reporting. If you are preparing an engagement with a year-end on or after December 15th, 2018, the report will automatically switch to post-auditor reporting. And as I mentioned earlier, early adoption is permitted of the new wording. If I jump into my case view file, my current engagement year-end is 31st December 2018. If I click on the report options, you'll see that it is set by default to post-auditor reporting. Some of the major changes in the new auditor's report is that the opinion has been moved to the top of the audit report. Right below that, we have a basis for opinion. So even though I have an unqualified opinion, I still have a basis of opinion paragraph. Below that, I have the responsibilities of management and those charged with governance, and that's been expanded a bit. And below that, we have the auditor's responsibility for the financial statements. And you can see this has been expanded quite a bit. If you have some time to look at your slides, you will see that the difference between the pre-auditor reporting and the post-auditor reporting layouts. A feature we've added to the new audit report is that from a single drop-down, you can select what type of opinion you'd like to express in the audit report. This applies to both pre- and post-auditor reporting. Once again, in my report, you'll see that I have an unmodified default report, which means that it is an unqualified opinion, and selecting unmodified, if there's anything I would like to add, I can simply select it from the drop-down. However, if I'm preparing an adverse, disclaimer, or a qualified opinion, I would need to go to modified and then select the relevant opinion. I'm just going to quickly show a standard example of a not-for-profit organization where revenue cannot be verified or recognized. So I'm going to go to qualified opinion, and I'm going to say unable to verify revenue from fundraising. You will now see that I have a qualified opinion. The opinion paragraph has changed to reflect it, and the basis of opinion below it has once again changed to reflect my opinion. Another thing to note with the post-auditor reporting is that we have included a new section for key audit matters. However, the full sample wording is not yet available. One thing to note with the engagement reports is that they are sample wording and you may need to modify them to make them applicable to your engagement.